Good evening, students. This is Chalma Reddy, sir, mathematics faculty. Now I am going to discuss that 4th September 2020, second shift question with solutions. Already I discussed 6 questions in first part. Now I am going to discuss the second part. Still not yet subscribed my channel. Please subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends. Now I'm going to discuss that 7th question. Read the question what they are given. The triangle ABC is a right angled at A, such that A1 comma 2 C3 comma 1 and area of triangle ABC is equal to 5 root 5. Then abscissa of B can be. So abscissa of B point we need to find. See here. Now I am going to assume that let B H comma K. Here the triangle is right angle triangle given. Draw the right angle triangle. This is where it is right angle at A. This is B. This is C. This is the right angle. A point is 1 comma 2 and C point is 3 comma 1 and B is H comma K. Here we need the abscissa. Abscissa means here B coordinate, H, X coordinate here. Now here observe that slope of AB. Slope of AB. How much? Slope of AB, that is equal to K minus 2 divided by H minus 1. And slope of AC, that is Y1 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 1. Here already we know that two lines are perpendicular. So product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. Now K minus 2 divided by H minus 1 into, here this is, see that 1 minus 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2, that is equal to minus 1. Then minus minus cancel. And now calculate this. K minus 2, that is equal to 2H minus 2. Here minus 2 can be cancelled. We get K is equal to 2H. This is one condition. Next, area of triangle given. Area of triangle ABC. How much given in the question? That is 5 root 5. What is area of triangle formula here? Half into base into height. Half base, distance between AB. What is the formula? H minus 1 whole square plus K minus 2 whole square. Now distance between AC. Distance between AC. How much we get? That is 3 minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 2 whole square. That is equal to 5 root 5. And 1 by 2 send right hand side, we get 10 root 5. And observe here, under root H minus 1 whole square and K minus 2 whole square is there. First write this, H minus 1 whole square plus, in place of K, substitute 2H, 2H minus 2 whole square into, here 3 minus 1 whole square means 4, 1 minus 2 whole square means 1, totally that is root 5, that is equal to 5 root 5. Root 5 cancel. Now do the squaring on both sides. Here H minus 1 whole square. Here take 2 common, 4 will outside. Now 5 into H minus 1 whole square, that is equal to 25. How we got 25? Squaring on both sides. Now, h minus 1 whole square, that is equal to 5. Now, what is h minus 1? That is plus or minus root 5. And here 1 by 2, we didn't written, right? Here 1 by 2. And squaring on both sides means here we get 1 by 4 into next. So this is also 1 by 4. Next, what we get? Here some calculation. H minus 1 whole square, that is equal to 20. H minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 2 root 5. H is equal to 1 plus or minus 2 root 5. This is abscissa value by observing the options. So take either positive or negative. Next, I'm going to another question. This is quadratic equations related problem. Now read the question. Alpha, beta are roots of the equation. First find sum of the roots. How much? 3. And product of the roots. Alpha, beta is equal to P. And gamma, delta are roots of the another equation. Sum of the roots here 6. And product of the roots is equal to Q. And alpha, beta, gamma are in increasing GP. That means alpha, beta, gamma, delta. These are in GP series. Increasing GP. That means this is A, AR square, AR cube. These are in GP series. Then we can find 2Q plus P divided by 2Q minus P. So here P and Q, where is it? Instead of alpha, beta and gamma, delta. First, observe here, alpha plus beta is equal to 3. That means A plus AR, that is equal to 3. And gamma plus delta, also observe that AR square plus AR cube, that is equal to 6. Now observe here, both we can divide. Now first I am writing second equation. AR square take common, we get 1 plus R divided by A common 1 plus R, that is equal to 6 by 3. Here 1 plus R, AA cancel, 3 2s are 6. Finally, R square value we got 2, right? Now, go to the problem. 2Q plus P divided by 2Q minus P. 2Q means 2 into Q. Q means gamma delta. Gamma value is how much? AR square delta AR power 5 plus P means alpha beta, that is A into AR divided by, both are same, but just minus is the difference. AR square AR power 5 minus A into AR. Now observe here, R square value is 2 and A square take common and cancel it, remaining 2 into R square into R power 5, that is R power 7. So I am writing R square whole cube into R plus R divided by, denominator also same like that, R square whole cube into r minus r. What is r square value? R square value is 2. 2 cube, 8. 8 2s are 16. 16r plus r divided by 16r minus r. That is equal to, here see that small correction. This is r cube. This is r cube. So here we get square. Here we get square. So that means r square value 2. 2 square 4. 4 2s are 8 will come. There is a mistake. Calculation mistake. 8r 8r. Observe here 9r divided by 7r. So finally what is answer? 9 by 7. Right. Next I'm going to another question. See here. For equation step x whole square plus 2 into step of x plus 2 minus 7 is equal to 0 for all x belongs to. Number of solutions they are asking. Here step of x plus integer, that is equal to step x plus integer. This is the formula. Now use that formula. Now we get step x square plus 2 into step of x plus 2 means what we can write? Step x plus 2 minus 7 is equal to 0. Here take that step x value t for suppose. Now we get t square plus 2t, 2 into 2 4, 4 minus 7 minus 3, that is equal to 0. Split into factors, t square plus 3t minus t minus 3 is equal to 0. Now t common, t plus 3 minus 1 common, t minus 3. Okay, finally t minus 1, t plus 3, that is equal to 0. Now t values we got 1 comma minus 3. T value 1 means, that is t means step x now. Step x is equal to 1. When it is possible, 1 less than or equal to x less than 2. Next, step x value minus 3. Minus 3 when it is possible, minus 2. This is minus 3 less than or equal to x less than minus 2. Now finally, what are the solutions of x? X belongs to closed minus 3 comma minus 2 open union closed 1 comma 2 open. So in between minus 3 and minus 2 and 1 and 2, so many solutions are there. So number of solution means infinite. Infinite number of solutions are possible, right? Next, I am going to another question. Say this probability related problem. Now, the probability of hitting a target is 1 by 10. Probability of hitting a target, that means success, P is equal to 1 by 10. Then what about failure? Q is equal to 9 by 10. Find the minimum number of trials so that probability of at least one success is greater than 1 by 4. That means probability of at least one success, x greater than or equal to 1, at least one success is greater than 1 by 4. So write the reverse method. P of x greater than or equal to 1 means we can write 1 minus P of x is equal to 0 greater than 1 by 4. Now, write the reverse. 1 minus 1 by 4 is greater than P of x is equal to 0. Write the reverse method. What is the n value here? N value they didn't mention. So we need to find. Now this is 3 by 4 is greater than NC0 Q. Q means 9 by 10 whole power n 1 by 10 whole power 0. Now 3 by 4 is greater than 9 by 10 whole power n. So at what value of n it is possible? For suppose take that n is equal to for suppose 3. So what we get? 3 by 4 means 0.75 is greater than 0.9 whole cube. 0.75 is greater than 0.9 whole cube means how much? That is 0.729. Yes, the condition is satisfied. So the least value of n is 3. So 3 is the answer. Students, all of you understood now? So remaining question, I will make another video. Still who are not subscribed, subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends. Thank you.